Tell me when.
Go.
Turn it on?
Yeah.
Wow. Huh?
Pressure on.
Alright, hold on. Who is honking? Oh, was I not supposed to do that? Watch, I'm gonna blow up a second car. Huh?
Right.
Almost. Damn.
Alright, try one last time. Alright, go.
Oh my god. It never smoked before. Yeah, you alright, Bobby? I'm gonna blow up my car, aren't I?
Yeah, I don't think those fuses that you put in there aren't supposed to be in there.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
That doesn't surprise me. Oh my gosh. What is this person doing? Running out in the middle of the freaking traffic? Oh my god. What'd you say? Oh, I hate that sound. My battery's getting low. My finger's starting to hurt. Huh? I can't hear.
Turn the key over, don't start it. Yeah, now try to start it.
Huh? Damn, I'm like getting high off these freaking fumes. Don't light a cigarette, Bobby. We'll catch on fire. Oh, you don't? Oh.
Today is day number 22.
Good for you, man.
0 cigarettes.
You rock. You totally rock, dude. Yeah, well, I'm not a quitter today. Not until I get this baby running.
I wish I had a cigarette, but I don't know.
I'm not going to ask you if you want one. Don't even think about it.
Hey, can I get a cigarette?
No. All right. My finger is seriously starting to hurt. I swear. I'm so hungry. I'm gonna need to hook up to your car or something. I'm just draining the juice out of this battery. Well, I could have swore I just said that. $21 AutoZone. I just had it pulled up on my phone. Bobby, you know how to put in relays? On this? No. I can't hear shit, yo. What's the matter? What's wrong? You want to see the diagram that the guys drew me for this thing?
Yeah.
Alright. I don't know what 85A plugged into green. I have no idea what that means. Oh shit. Okay, here we go. Now, this is towards the relay that he showed me, and it looks like a cross almost like. But he's got it marked. He's got the cable marked. It's the green one. He said
One you got
that's,
scratched right there?
huh?
One you got scratched?
Scratch?
Like mark, scratch, whatever.
It's supposed to have black tape on it.
Let's go black. What about it?
That's what we need to plug in
Plug it in where?
to a relay.
It's plugged in over there.
I don't know. He said that a mechanic would know what to do with this. And that's about all the help I got. I broke down Saturday and he came on Sunday and drew this diagram for me.
Try to start. Let's see. Let's see.
Yeah, please, because my finger hurts. I'm so sick of it. Ugh. I'm SOL is what you gotta say. Don't be shy about it. Ooh, I've never looked under here before. Wow. See, that's a lot more interesting. Oh, look, fishing hooks. I don't think those are supposed to be there. Ah, I found a fishing hook. And there's a lot more shit under there. There's a lot more fishing line under there. Huh. Oh my God. Whoa. Wow. The guy said to flood it too. He said when I get everything hooked up right, he said flood it. I smell a lot of gas, that's all I'm saying. I smell flooded already. I'm so hungry. By the way, I've been all over and we have the cheapest gas around, guys. $2.41 a gallon. Huh. Beachside is like $2.45, $2.50. We are $2.41 right here on Aurora Road and US 1. Come get your gas. Oh my gosh, dude, there's gas coming out all underneath, yo. Sean, did you get gas in your eye? Look. That's not good. Damn. Oh my my gas is coming out. That was a full fucking tank too. I think I'm screwed, guys. I think I'm screwed. I think I'm going to be stuck here for like the next week. I've already been almost stuck here a week. So apparently I have no skills at buying cars. You alright? I'm never buying another car again. Whoa! Look at that! Oh my god. You're supposed to do that? We're good. I need a nap. I don't sound like a lawnmower anymore. My shit was sounding like a lawnmower, for real. Yeah. Or a weed whacker. It had like a really high-pitched sound. Yeah, the idle was too high. See, he's supposed to sound man sexy, you know? Deep. He's old. I don't want me driving around and him sound like a jit or anything, you know? Hell no. That's baby papa to this guy. To this big old guy. Man, I want this truck so bad. I wonder if we could trade trucks. Oh, God. ass out of here so fast, you don't even know. It's my day off. I got shit to do. Yay! Ooh. Hello, Mike. Wow, I got all kinds of reinforcements today. I got support, reinforcements. Damn. That's what's up. They're trying to get Miss Drea back on the road. I like that. Hello. What's up? I know. It sounds good.
Yeah, it sounds good.
Yeah, we had a few like backfires that were like loud.
All the extra fuel in it.
Is that what it was?
Yeah.
I wonder how much fuel I wasted.
Ah, it doesn't matter. It's running.
True. You working today?
I'm off for a little bit.
Are you? Well,